Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to dig into exactly how you can transform your daily workflow from slow, manual drafting into high-speed electrical controls design. If you've been searching for a way to seriously speed up your process, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down 5 absolutely essential features in AutoCAD Electrical. And these features, they're designed to do 2 hugely important things: cut your design time in half and completely eliminate those frustrating manual tag errors.
Let's dive right into it. On one side, you've got your standard AutoCAD workflows, right? You're drawing electrical schematics using basic lines, circles, and maybe manually entering text. But on the other side, we have AutoCAD Electrical, which uses intelligent objects and one-click auto numbering. Look, if you're still relying on those basic drafting tools and physically typing out wire numbers, the hard truth is you are wasting dozens of hours every single month compared to using these automated tools. Whether you're just thinking about making the switch or you simply want to optimize what you already have, understanding the gap between these two methods is absolutely critical.
To see how these tools revolutionize things, we'll follow a real-world project through 4 phases: unified project management, smart components and wires, parametric PLC generation, and finally, instant automated reporting. Let's get to it.
Phase 1. Unified Project Management. Let's move away from chaotic, disconnected files, shall we?
So in standard AutoCAD, every single .dwg file basically acts like its own little island. They're completely disconnected from each other. But with project-based design in AutoCAD Electrical, those isolated islands of data are finally bridged together. You can effortlessly manage hundreds of drawing sheets under one single master project file, meaning everything actually talks to everything else.
The real power of this unified system really shines with title block setup. Think about your current process for a second. If you need to change a job number or, say, a revision date, you might literally have to manually open 50 different files just to update the text in the corner of the page. It's exhausting. But with title block setup, the software updates every single title block across every drawing sheet instantly. We're talking a matter of seconds. It's a massive reduction in that tedious administrative drafting work nobody likes doing.
Moving on to Phase 2. Smart Components and Wires. It's time to replace those basic lines with intelligent objects.
When you insert a component, like a relay coil, AutoCAD Electrical doesn't just see a dumb block of shapes. It treats it as an intelligent object. If you insert that parent coil, and then go to a completely different sheet to place a child component, like a normally open contact, and tie it back to the parent, the software instantly tracks its location. It actually auto-generates live cross-reference text on both sheets. And the best part? If you ever move that parent coil later on, the cross-references for the child components update everywhere, instantly. You will literally never lose track of a contact again. How cool is that?
And this brings us to what is arguably the absolute biggest headache in electrical drafting: wire numbering. In this new workflow, wires aren't just empty lines anymore. They carry real electrical attributes. You draw a wire over a component, and boom, it automatically trims itself. But the real magic here is the one-click automatic wire numbering. The software physically scans your entire circuit, tracks the line references, and places unique wire tags across every single drawing automatically. Oh, and if a client asks for a late-stage revision, there is no need to panic over manual recounts. You just hit renumber, and the entire project adjusts automatically. A total game changer.
Phase 3 is parametric PLC generation. Let's look at automating those complex PLC modules.
Just think about how much time you spend painstakingly drawing input and output cards by hand. With this feature, you can eliminate that entirely. You simply pick a PLC module from a massive built-in library of manufacturers. We're talking Allen Bradley, Siemens, Schneider, you name it. Then you just input your starting I/O address and sit back. The software automatically builds the complete visual parametric card directly onto your drawing. It pulls in all the terminal labels and connects all the wire points for you. It literally turns hours of meticulous line drawing into a task that takes just seconds.
And finally, Phase 4. Instant automated reporting. The drafting is done, so now let's extract that data.
I want you to ask yourself honestly, how long do you currently spend counting components just to build a bill of materials for purchasing? Is it an hour? Half a day? Well, with AutoCAD Electrical's automated reporting, it takes just 10 seconds. Yep, you heard that right. Under 10 seconds to accurately count every single piece of your project.
Because every single intelligent symbol you placed earlier contains embedded manufacturer catalog data, the software already knows exactly what is in your drawing. It's like a giant, perfectly organized puzzle. You can pull a full bill of materials and export it straight to an Excel spreadsheet for your purchasing department, Or you can generate wire run lists and terminal footprints and drop them instantly as clean CAD tables right onto your drawing sheets. It's perfectly accurate data extraction with zero manual counting required.
Ultimately, mastering these 5 features is what turns standard CAD drafters into high-speed electrical controls designers. The true value here isn't just about saving time, although, let's be real, you are saving a ton of it. It's really about a complete fundamental transformation in how you execute your electrical schematics. You're moving from just drawing pictures of circuits to engineering a smart, interconnected database, and that entirely eliminates the risk of manual tag and counting errors.
So, now that you've seen the full unified workflow from project management all the way through to automated reporting, I want to leave you with a quick question to think about. Which of these 5 game-changing features are you most eager to explore further? Whether it's the automated PLC generation or those super intelligent auto-numbering wires, mastering any one of these is the first step toward fundamentally leveling up your design process. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep innovating those workflows.